Sometimes skiing is like this.
Woo!
Other times, skiing is like this.
Oh no.
Sometimes I spend an entire ski day feeling like a badass, even if I look ridiculous. I feel like I can rip down the mountain and get in an amazing flow state on moguls. Other days, I struggle to get in a groove and feel like a total beginner again. I spent 4 days this Christmas week skiing around Colorado. The weather was all over the place and I struggled big time on the first day. You will see in this video. Powder skiing is a huge weakness of mine, and on this day, things were made even harder by the incredible wind gust. A lot of the time, I felt like I would hit powder in one turn and hard pack windswept snow in another. Sometimes both in the same turn, and it was so hard for me to keep my balance. It was seriously a miracle that I didn't fall on my face. Now, before we continue here, just remember what you have signed up for watching an intermediate skier ski. Let's just say it's not always going to be pretty.
Good morning, guys. We are at Beaver Creek today. It snowed 4 inches overnight, so there's a little bit of fresh powder on the ground. It's supposed to be super cold today, I think down to around 0, but it actually feels okay right now. I heard that the wind chill when it comes will be really bad, but so far it's feeling okay. So yeah, let's go skiing. Hey guys, okay, so there's a ton of powder. I'm sure this will be really fun for some of you, but I'm not great at powder and I'm still a little bit timid in these boots, so it's not really going great for me. Just taking it one turn at a time.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow fail. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell just what to do. I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Won't give you the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. So don't let my feelings show.
So we just ski down kind of on skiers left side of Centennial. I don't really know what they're called. I'll look it up later. And it's pretty untouched, so there's a lot of fresh powder, but it's very wind blown. So some parts you hit powder and other parts you just hit like something, you know, you just hit like really hard packed snow or even ice. Well, it's not that icy, just like slippery, you know? And it's really challenging for me because I feel like I'm just going at different speeds and it's a little unexpected, so not very good at skiing that yet. So we're gonna try a different run this time and see if it's better. If not, then I'm just going to go ski some groomers.
As you can see, we didn't explore much today, and I was struggling a lot with the variable conditions. Fortunately, things got better later in the afternoon when the snow was a little more packed down, and tomorrow the skiing gets really, really good. Thank you for tuning in today. Please subscribe to see Beaver Creek Part 2. Bye!